What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin, this is KLS. Guess what? I have something special for you guys. I have joined, not really joined, but I have been participating on someone else's channel. That person is called Ali Care. You can go and visit her YouTube page, Ali Care. She's doing a TV show series. It's called The Ali Care Show. Yeah, people, and I'm on it. Not on all the series, but I think I'm on the first 2 or 3 episodes. Yeah, the first 2 or 3 episodes. It was awesome, awesome. I will show a clip from the last episode I was in. Yeah, we did a bread challenge, like a literal bread challenge. We call it the grotto bread, something like that. The grotto bread, yeah, the grotto bread challenge. We were supposed to eat as much as we can for part of the time, but we failed, but it was still awesome. So check that out.
Loaded on our chat. All of these bread right here, we call them the ghetto bread. We are going to eat them and see who can eat them the novice without water. So let's see who win this challenge. Guess what? No, what happened? I would have joined in on this eating thing here, but I just start to eat just this little piece right here and I can't go anymore. So let's see what you're gonna comment that I should give them for a prize for the winner of this challenge. And they only have 1 minute. 1 minute. So we have 28 seconds starting now. They have no water. 1 minute to see who can eat the most bread. Guys, we're giving them 5 minutes on the clock to see who can eat the most bread, because 1 minute is just too short. I'm just realizing that they need at least 5 minutes. Why are you dissecting the bread? That make it smaller? Look what Kevin does to the bread. Work your job, Bunny. It'll teach you to kiss better. What is he doing with the bread? Nice green, eh? Sure don't want a little water, guys? It's just 1 minute gone. Stop killing yourself. So you can actually eat off one of those bread. Like, one of it. Okay then. Kevin, let me say, Kevin, dissect the bread. Guys, it look like it's hard for you to eat the bread. Is it hard for you to eat the bread?
No, but you need something to drink. So.
Let me see if I can eat some. Let me taste and see what it feels like. I've been eating and one little bite. Can't manage. So guys, on both fail the bread challenge. Only really ghetto man.
Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna finish this within 5 minutes. So.
Armando. Oh, you do dance with the bread? Armando, I dance with the bread. Dance with the bread. Dance with the bread. Oh my god. Is it nice? So if you're on a desert, right? Say you're on a desert island and all you take with you is bread and water and the water drop and throw away. Would you eat this bread?
No.
Would you eat the bread, Romando?
Slowly. Very, very slowly. Peace.
But you could eat the bread and drink your pee.
What the fuck?
No.
What I said? It takes tactics, skill to eat this bread. And we call them the guato bread. So guys, nobody win this challenge.
Yeah, people, that was the grotto bread challenge. It was funny as hell. Hey, honestly, I needed water. I literally needed water. I was literally dying. I was like, I was like that, man. Like literally, we didn't show on camera because I was trying to hide it, but I was like, water, water, water. Yeah, I was like that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Remember, I'm Kevin. This is KLS. Remember, please like, share, comment below. You want more? You know, foolish stuff. I do a lot of crap. Sometimes when I'm bored, I just do absolutely crap. So yeah, remember guys to please subscribe if you're new to my channel. Remember to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can also find me at KLS Gaming on YouTube where I play my video games. Also on Twitch at KLS Twitch TV. Yeah, we are stream bro holla. Yeah guys, so peace. I'm out.